ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। जय माँ सबको जय माँ। वेलकम। Very interesting what we are making. It's called 3-in-1 toasties. That's what I call it. Okay. तो ये है ना टोस्टी के अलग अलग स्टफिंग्स हैं। 3 तरह के स्टफिंग्स। There are 3 types of stuffings that we need to put on the roll, on the bread roll. Now see, this is the bread roll. You know that hot dog roll, which we'll cut in half, and I'll show you the process how it goes. But first, see the stuffings that we are making. One by one, I'll show you all the 3 stuffings in detail. Okay, come. See, I've taken cheese, grated cheese. 1 कप लिया है ना हमने?
1 कप है।
हाँ, 1 कप चीज लिया है ग्रेट करके। I've taken processed cheese. You can take any cheese, Amul, Britannia, whatever you want. Take a lot of cheese, right? उसमें आप 1 बड़ा चम्मच भर के हरा धनिया काट के डालिए। Coriander chopped. Then you add 1 tablespoon of oregano. And then you add 2 chopped green chilies. That's what goes in the first stuffing. Got it? Cheese, hara dhania, oregano, and mix it nicely. There is no salt in this because cheese में बहुत salt होता है. You know, stir it nicely. You can use your hand also. I'm using a spoon because I'm showing you the second stuffing after this. And leave it aside. Keep everything ready. I'm constantly saying the same thing. You know, in every video I say that. तैयार रखेंगे तो तकलीफ नहीं होती है। तैयारी में थोड़ा टाइम जाता है जरूर, पर तकलीफ नहीं होगी बाद में। See, the stuffing is ready. So we leave it aside. ये सब अलग रख दीजिए। Now we'll make the second stuffing. This is aloo, potatoes which I have boiled, removed the skin and grated it. These are 3 potatoes. Medium size आप ले सकते हैं, ठीक है? उसमें आप टमाटर डालिए। 1 tomato, okay? I have taken. This is pav bhaji, what we are making, you know, Mumbai ka famous pav bhaji. But we are not cooking anything over here. Then you take capsicum. छोटा छोटा काट के इसमें डालिए। I've taken 1 medium size. The measurements are all there in the description. So you can take the measurements from there. Then you add salt. इसमें कोई चीज नहीं है, so we need salt. Okay. Then you add a lot of pav bhaji masala because it's pav bhaji. 1 huge tablespoon. ठीक है, मिक्स हाथ से करना पड़ेगा, बाद में करती हूँ। पहले आपको दिखा देती हूँ कि क्या क्या जाता है इसमें। Then you add again 1 heaping tablespoon of hara dhania, chopped coriander. Okay. काट के। And then 1 नींबू का जूस इसमें डालिए। And this second dressing is done. We have to mix it properly. And I will come back for the third dressing. Now we'll do the third stuffing. ये पनीर है, ठीक है? कितना लिया था? 1 कप?
1 कप पनीर।
Grated, okay, पनीर को इसमें डालिए बोल में। फिर एक के बाद एक मिंट, पुदीना, add that 1 tablespoon, big tablespoon. हरा धनिया. I will add some in this masala also. थोड़ा सा यहाँ डाल रही हूँ. These two are here. I want more in the pav bhaji masala. ये यहाँ पे ये हुआ. Then we add chili flakes, 1 tablespoon. Then we have to add 1 tablespoon chaat masala. All yummy stuff. Then you take imli chutney, pure imli khatti. Add that. As much as you need. Then we'll see, check. And pudina chutney, mint chutney. Add that also. Yummy stuff. And this is done, we have to mix it. Now we take the rolls and you slice it in half like this in the center, like this. Make it in 2 halves like this. I have taken 6 rolls. You can take as much as required in your house and slice it. अब क्या करना है, मैं 1-2 दिखा देती हूँ आपको. Should sit properly because now we have to cook it on the tawa. तो सबसे पहले you take your first stuffing and put it here. ऐसे. Don't want these darbies. Put lots of stuffing. Press it down. Then take the second stuffing, pav bhaji wala. Put it in the center, like this. Now when guests are coming or something, you make these toasties. It's delicious, they love it. Put it in the center, like this. And then you take the last paneer stuffing and put it last. Looks so attractive. Take as much as required. You can take lots more. Girna niche, bas that's all. Press it down. This I will take a little bit more. So you have to adjust. ऐसे. So these are the 3 stuffings you put in 1 roll. We do the rest, and once it is over, then we have to sprinkle again little chili flakes and little paneer if you want. You can sprinkle or cheese if you want, which I'll show you. And I forgot to tell you, in the paneer stuffing I had to add a little bit of salt, not much. See, these are all readied now. सब ready करके रखा है, कितना beautiful लग रहा है. इसके ऊपर I'm going to add little chili flakes. You can add grated paneer. You can add little coriander, hara dhania also, all that. But I'm not adding because then this beauty goes away. But I've written in the description, if you want to add, you can add. Chili flakes डाल रही हूँ. So it looks nice. Now what we have to do is take your pan, switch on the flame, put butter in it. So we are greasing it like this. एंड देन 1 by 1 जितना इसमें रहता है वो आप डाल दीजिए. ये थोड़ा मेल्ट होने दो. And place. Now, once it heats, we have to cover it with the lid and let it cook. I've put it on high flame. Cover it. And now, let it cook on slow flame. वरना जल जाएगा. So you see, this is the other way of doing it. You know, if you don't have an oven, you can do it this way. Just put it on the pan, let it cook, and it will become very nice and crispy. Kurum kurum ho jayega. So you don't need to put it in the oven. And if you want to put it in the oven, you can. So I'll come back once it's done. Now, I think it's done. See. How do we know? Can you hear that? It's very hot, so I'm not picking it up. But it's all kur, you know, crispy. So see, the cheese has melted. Wherever there is cheese, it has melted. So it is done. And when you have it, it's yummy. 3-in-1 toasty. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. जय माँ. जय माँ. सबको जय माँ. आप जरूर ट्राई करिए, जरूर खाइए और मुझे याद करिए. जय माँ.